Hello. Today I'll be going over some data I was given um, about a book distributor's sales and profits over the past 2 years across the United States. Um, for my first screenshot here, I decided to go with the 2017 sales map. It's color coded to the least amount of sales in dollars to the most amount of sales in dollars. Um, as you can see, there are some higher end of the spectrums, California and Texas, for example. Um, and as you work your way down, you'll find mini green, which isn't bad. It's just letting you know where it's at on the spectrum. And then two white states that were given no information with no sales, Wyoming and this one right here. So from here, I wanted to see the next year's sales. So in 2018, I ran a similar thing here uh, with the sales from least to greatest. And again, California and some of the other states did about the same, if not better. Just a little back for you. But then again, there are some more white states that appear to have no sales, like North Dakota, South Dakota, and West Virginia. On this screenshot, this is the profits of the sales for the past 2 years for each state. And the ones that are so low, closer to zero, were the ones that actually caught my eye. Because I was wondering where the sales were or what happened in those states and how we could prevent that in the future. So from here, I then pulled the states and District of Columbia uh, that were the lowest in the least 2 years as far as profitability goes, and to see what exactly could happen or what may have happened in these particular areas and regions that sales were not as they should have been. And my last screenshot here is comparing them each uh, next to each other vertically to see what areas needed the most help, and of course, which ones were most successful. And it's clear that the Midwest and kind of east and northeast, they weren't that well. They weren't doing that well in sales, so I would suggest, maybe seeing what kind of books those people are interested in, or what may have happened that year that could have rubbed people the wrong way, where sales weren't there. Maybe I don't know. Everybody bought Kindles or something to read instead of actually buying books, or a lot of schools or something went paper free, so maybe they just went like an ebook, textbook or something. Um, as you can see, the similar areas, they seem to be doing well. And on top of that, it's not the same states both years, so something like kind of fluky or, just a flop, I expect. I'm sure, the marketing could be better, and what have you. But for the most part, the numbers look great. We just have to see what's going on in the select areas. Thank you.